Yeah, 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 yeah. When you come, let me come straight, come straight.
Hello. Welcome. Welcome, please. Welcome. Remain seated.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing the Andrea hairline from Amazon. So the hair behind me, I actually reviewed it a couple of days ago. It's from Love Me Hair, and nice review. I'm waiting a couple weeks before I do another update review to see how it lasts. But this one is a kinky straight. You see that? Oof. It is super thick. Wow. This is a side part lace front wig, and it has a comb in the front, a comb in the back, and then the drawstring. I'm going to use this olive oil spray just to give it some shine and run my hands through it. It's really thick, really nice, as you can see. And just go ahead and show you how it looks on my head. It is a synthetic lace wig, so the lace itself is a little thick, so just be mindful of that as you play and run your hands through it.
Oh, we're living in the present, but our mind.
Very pretty, very natural and thick. Yes, kinky straight. I don't know why I always do this. I always vibe out. I'm like, girl, let's focus. I wanted to show you all the difference between a synthetic lace wig and a human lace wig, and just the shine and the overall natural flow. Obviously, one is body wave and another is kinky, so the texture itself will be different. I'm using medium brown tinted spray for the lace. I usually do 2 layers just to make sure it's on there, and of course, if you need to use makeup, that's totally fine as well.
As the pain begins.
I'm going to go ahead and pluck a little bit more hair along the side part as well as my baby hairs, and just comb it back out so we can go ahead and move forward. This is a very quick tutorial. Again, all the details for this wig and the products that I'm using will be in the description section.
Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it weighs a ton, but baby, you'll be.
I was trying something different with leaving my lace over my natural hair just to see how different it will lay. As you will see, my baby hairs did not come out the best in this video, so I will not be trying this method again.
You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine.
Of course, you can always make the hairline your own as best as you like. So I did my baby hairs a little bit thicker because the hair itself is thick and I didn't want thin baby hairs. Again, baby hairs to each his own, however you like to style it, but don't feel like it has to look a specific way. Make your baby hairs how you want them and what gives you confidence.
It lasts. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain.
The hair itself is fiber heat resistant, so it took the heat very well. I was just kind of taming it down in the front. I wanted to throw some curls in, but I'm definitely going to cut a little bit first.
You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine.
So these are the baby hairs that I decided to go with. Don't come for me. I was trying a new method with leaving the lace over my natural baby hairs, and it didn't come out as expected, but we're going to keep pushing forward. So I'm going to cut a little bit just so the hair has some flow because this wig is a full 20 inches.
You'll be fine.
If you're looking for a very thick, kinky, curly hair that's inexpensive, beautiful, and takes heat, this is that wig. Now, the baby hairs is your choice. I know this video is probably one of my quickest, but I just wanted to give you a full review on this wig. I will do an updated version on how it's working for me and also how to style it. So stay tuned for that. This wig, it's meant to be full, fun, and kinky, so enjoy it. That is what we're going for with this look. Full baby hairs, full hair, and a full ball of fun. I'm in love with it. Like, it's giving Erykah Badu, it's giving Lauryn Hill, it's giving natural mamacita. Like, okay, like, get into it, get into it, get into it. But until next time, stay healthy and filled with bliss. Later.